Hello, and welcome to Korky Toilet Repair. Today we are going to install your Korky 2-inch Universal Flush Valve Repair Kit. The first step is to shut off the water supply to your toilet. Next, flush your toilet. Remove the old flapper. Clean the drain seat with steel wool, sandpaper, or an abrasive pad. Wipe all debris and moisture from the surface of the drain seat. Set the new seat upside down on a safe, flat surface. Squeeze the silicone sealant evenly around the bottom of the new seat. Use about 3/4 of the tube. Center the new seat over the old drain seat and press firmly into place. Make sure to avoid getting any sealant on top of the new drain seat. Wait 15 minutes for the sealant to set completely. Install your new Korky flapper. Attach the flapper ears to the tabs of the flush valve. Attach the flapper chain to the flush lever with minimal slack. Turn the water supply on to complete your installation. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your Korky 2-inch Universal Flush Valve Repair Kit. Thank you for choosing Korky.